hindi nila dapat ako pinapasagot kung pro-China ako. Sagutin niya yung tanong ko, where is the independent foreign policy that is required by the Constitution? Where is it right now? Explain to the Filipino people how you are going to implement your independent foreign policy. Huwag nilang pasagutin yung nagtatanong na sasabihin nila ako ay isang pro-China person. Matagal na nila yan na narrative na pro-China ako. I'm not pro any country at all. Ang sinasabi ko lagi, we need to develop, we need to maintain, and we need to level up our relations with all countries. Hindi lang sa China.